Welcome back to the channel. Look who we got with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Do you want to do a video? It's been a long-awaited updated house tour. We gave like a little snippet of our renovations from outside on our deck, but let's get into the house tour. Okay, I had to change a poopy diaper first, and we're putting on, you want Miss Rachel or Bluey? We're putting on Miss Rachel. Okay, as you guys know, we've been renovating this house since we moved in, so I don't know what's different from the last video that we did. I did do a house tour like 2-3 years ago. There's quite a bit of things different, and then there's also a lot that's the same. So let's just get into it. Walking in from our front door, we have this little setup area. Last time this carpet was like brown, ugly carpet. It looks, I don't know why it looks so dark, like a cream. Upstairs too. Now this is our main living area. Now that we got our new windows, like our new giant sliding door here, this is like one of my favorite places. This used to be a giant wall like here, and Jace just ripped it down, and so we have like a whole open floor plan. So we have our little piano area. We have this giant plant here. Beckham decided he wanted to make our whole house a jungle, so this is where it is, I guess. Jace plays the piano. He's amazing. So we got him this giant piano, literally takes up like our entire front room. Love it so much, it's just pretty and shiny. Got these two little Amazon paintings from back here. Last time we didn't have this window. We put in all new black frame windows, so it really just opens it up. I got this new light. Since we put this giant window, we didn't have a good place to put this couch because this couch used to be over here. It wasn't really like a good way to like set everything up after putting this window here. We want to eventually do like 2 chairs here or something. Got Beckham's plant that he put here. Our giant window, I'll show you going out to here. Going out to our deck, you've already kind of seen what it looks like. Have these 2 little chairs here and just put out that plant. So it's so cute, I love it. Deck wraps. Imagine, we have all the crap there. Deck wraps all the way around. This has definitely been like my favorite upgrade in this house. This giant sliding door, our console. It's kind of blocked by the couch, but oh well. Coming from our front room, we have our kitchen area. I just love our kitchen so much. I have this giant waterfall edge island. Jace and I actually built this kitchen from scratch. I'll put pictures of what it looks like, what it looked like before, and like kind of the progression of us doing all the renovations. Yeah, it looked completely different before. We had to do quite a lot of work, but this is what it looks like now. We're very happy. We also replaced this sliding door with a black frame one to kind of just match. We have black frames there. Our rug, our chairs. We got Tommy's high chair, the vacuum, some diapers. Backsplash is like cute little hexagons. Hehe, just ignore that. I didn't have it in me to clean the dishes for this video, so everything else is clean except for the dishes. Got our pebbled ice maker. All the windows still need to be like finished. Here's like there's no trim on it, so we still have to do the trim. Got our wall of cabinets, the microwave oven duo combo fridge. Ta-da! We have like a whole wall of cabinets in this. We have our little drawers that like pull out, which are very convenient. A dishwasher over here. If you work from home and you have kids, literally so hard to get any projects done. So we have so many little tiny finishing touches that are the hardest to finish because it's like usable and livable. I feel like you just don't get around to those little finishing touches. Eventually we will get around to them, just we'll see. We'll see how long it takes us. Going up from here, we got our hallway. Got like all these can lights on Amazon. I'll link everything that I'm like showing and talking about if you're interested. Hehe, she's still not finished. This is our bathroom, which if you've seen it last time, it's a lot different now. Did like a full renovation. As you can see, we have these giant tiles. We put up a giant slat wall, giant light bar from Amazon, mirror, new vanity. This is what it looks like now. It's just so pretty. Back here is our slat wall. Doesn't need to be finished. I think it looks good just like that, but we still want to take it at least to the wall here. Maybe back there since we painted it black. This is the new vanity that we have in here, and tiles are like massive. They're so hard to put up, but they just look incredible now that they're done. The toilet area back here. Originally we were gonna put slats here. I kind of just like it black with the gold mirror. Let me know. Do you guys think I should put slats here, or do you think I should just leave it with the gold mirror? Help me decide. We'll just do like a quick room tour. Not much has changed in their room other than like the carpet, but that's what it looks like. It's just like a quick little sneak peek of Tommy's room since it's a mess. I do have a full nursery tour too, so I'll link that below if you want to watch it. This is mine and Jace's room. All the new windows are in here too. You can tell our windows still need to be finished. Put the can lights in here too. This fan doesn't even work, but it's still here somehow. This is my closet, so I have my mirror here so that I can take my little pictures. One nightstand, that's Jace's because we can't get another one to fit on that side. We got our shelf, our stuff, our bed. Funny story with this little spot on the wall. Saw this paint and I was like, oh, this is the paint that we have in our room. We had this little spot that I had to paint over. Go to paint it and there we go. It doesn't actually match. So you know what I was gonna do? I was actually just planning on putting a painting or like a mirror over it so I don't have to find the right paint. It's just like that for now. So yeah. Of course, the carpet is all new as well. Just looks brighter and cleaner. We got our bathroom. I love our bathroom so much. I want to talk about good lighting. Look at this bathroom. Ooh, she's rarely ever clean, but she's clean today. New window up here. Still not finished. It's fine. Whatever. We'll probably never get around to it. At least we got a new window. I wanted a giant mirror here instead of doing like 2 circle mirrors. I just think it opens it up a lot more. Toothbrush, toothpaste is like a floating vanity. This is probably my favorite space in my bathroom. I put up all these shelves from Amazon. Then of course I color coordinated, rainbowed all of them. There's a little shower tour. It's a little bit of a mess, but whatever. I feel like I'm just whipping through this. I don't really have much to say. Let's turn off all the lights and go downstairs. All right, that's all of upstairs. Now I'm gonna show you downstairs. Right when you go downstairs, this is like really our one only room, and I don't think a lot has changed. Downstairs is kind of the one room that like just doesn't get any attention. We have our laundry room there. Our door is still unframed because we had to take off the frame of it to get this giant couch in. But down here has like the most atrocious lighting. The one bathroom in here. Can't tell you the last time someone used this bathroom, honestly. We got our little like couch, movie setup. We got our screen, little thing down there, little basket of blankets, our ottoman, and our couches, and these are like little reclining ones. Really the only thing I feel like has changed down here is that we put this window fireplace back there. Really haven't done much with it. This is where things get fun. Haven drew on the wall. Yeah. At this point, I feel like we're just gonna have to repaint our entire house because Haven has drawn on literally every single inch of this house with something. Over from that area, we got our makeup studio. You guys, this is so bad. And I'm horrified. It looks like this constantly, I'm gonna be honest. Like everything else will be clean, and then there's my makeup desk. We got this, we got some chairs, we got this nice little climbing gym. My lights, haven't used those a day in my life. Jace has like a little putting thing, I guess. We have this window that we replaced with another non-opening one. So nice. This used to be a closet, and it is now just our toy buckets for the kids and like little squishmallows. There are some like winter coats up there still. Like there's not much to show downstairs. The main thing downstairs is really just like the windows. I promise I'm gonna clean my makeup desk today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I think that's everything. Okay, bye.